All right, welcome to another episode of Lesson of Practice with Mr. Flores. Sorry, my voice is really bad, but here we go. This is what we're going to do. Very simple, nothing too complicated. We're just going to try to learn how to add a camera and do no object. But this is what we're going to try to do today. Oh, sorry. Just let me go to the beginning. And I only have two images. You're going to do three, or you don't have to add three. You can just do two. But this is just the effect that we're going to do, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, okay? So obviously you're going to have three different images or two different images, but I just use the same just for the demonstration. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to go to new project. I'm going to save this one in camera one, and then I'll put this in my desktop, and there we go. Okay, so new composition. We're going to go to call it camera away. 15 seconds. We can actually do about 10 seconds. We really don't have to do 10. Then I'm going to press OK. Then I'm going to import my images. I believe I have it on my desktop, but I need to find it. This is it. This is the Polaroid I made. I'm going to bring it 2 down. There you go. 2 down. Okay. Then I'm going to add a camera. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm going to do 3D. In 3D, I'm going to try to adjust it. I'm going to come over here where it says active camera, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to go to custom view. And here, I'm going to click, and I'm going to move it away from each other. I'm going to click right there on the anchor point. And there you go. All right. So then I'm going to go back to active camera. And it kind of with this down here. And we'll put some space between it, okay? There you go. All right. Then I'm going to go to new camera. I'm going to put preset is going to be custom. I press OK. Then I'm going to do add a null object, and what the null object is going to do is going to kind of put them all together. When you edit, it's going to edit everything together. But before we can do that, we have to hit the 3D. We have to hit this right here, and we're going to drag this little whip. It's called a parent pick whip, and we're going to connect it to the camera. So the camera and the null object are going to be one. So the null object will be able to control the camera. So I'm going to do that. Click here. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to open up transform. And right now what I want is I just want my position. I want my X, Y, and Z connected. Okay, I'm going to hit that, and then I'm going to move this over. And I'm going to move this over here roughly about a second or so. Then on my position, I'm going to move this up out the way. And then let's see if I can just, so we can see what's going on. And then we can like do like a little rotate, you see, rotate in if we want. You don't have to, but you can. Okay. And then we're just going to see what happens. All right. Kind of like what we want. Okay. Then what I'm going to do something, I'm not sure if we've done this already, but I'm going to highlight all the keyframes. Then I'm going to right click. And when I right click, this menu pops up. I'm going to hit keyframe assistant. Then I'm going to go to ease. And it's going to just come in. Okay. Now, if we want to make it faster or slower, we can just adjust these keyframes right here, and it'll do what we want to do. Now, what we want to do is we want to bring this forward. So I'm going to come over here. And I'm just going to go to rotate position. completely out, and then I'm going to scale. And then let's see, right there. So let's see what we have. Okay, so good. And then now I want the other one to come in. So I'm just going to go back. And then I'm going to scale this way. And then let's see what we have. And if I really want to move this, I can click there, and then when I come over here, I can just completely move that out the way. And there you go. All right, that's all we're doing. Just a little use of the camera. I think we might do another lesson with the camera, but right now we're going to take a break from After Effects. All right, so once you do that, you're just going to go to Edit, Export, and then you go to Add to Render, and then render it. And then that's it. It's something easy for one of our last projects. The reason why you just want to see how you can add a camera and a 3D camera. All right, thank you, and that's it.